Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our true natures are pure, so we are not attached. We live together with our problems. Seeing, we give birth to joy. This is why these things are explained in this way. We are not corrupt. We are luminous in the One. We are primordially pure. We have no discord. There is no name for this. It has one taste. This is also a transmission that exemplifies with certainty. We have no hunt, and we are not alone. We play in a sky that has no planets fearlessly. This is overwhelming. It brings us together beneath a canopy. This is why Sure has been proclaimed to be the word of a hero. There is no good or evil. Everything that is born, our supports, and everything we do, is beyond the practice of any understanding. Our ideas about lust and hatred do not stay. We speak of them in words of exemplification and analogy. Seeing, higher nobility, the unmoving, and being beyond perfection. These are difficult to see or to understand. In the way of understanding that is sure, we are one. This is clear. And to be specific, we do not hunt for it. Light keepers are primordially free from darkness. They appear without any position and pervade all things. The meaning of the analogy for what this is like is that the self-originating is not to be hunted. It is inexhaustible. We have no position or side, no growth or decline, that will fulfill the hopes of everyone. This is beyond our contemplations. Though these things are to be carefully exemplified. Secret wisdom is profound. It is not to be put into a system using grammar, logic, validations, knowledge, inference, or even transmission. In our direct perception of what is surely secret, inferential awareness is a mistaken path. The meaning that is sure is the contemplation of a Buddha. The meaning that is to be interpreted is the contemplation of a person. Through our seeking, we are engaged in the clarity of non-seeking. This means that we are reverted and will not find what is sure. The transmission of effortless perfection is not contrived. We exemplify it by our own sure intent. In the lineage of the transmission of effortless perfection, there are validations for how we may be certain.